Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to see you. I'm Shamapti, and today I have Shoppers Stop Black Friday sale recommendations for you. They're gonna have this sale from 24th November till 29th November, where you're gonna get discount up to 40% on skincare, fragrance, makeup, and I have some wonderful recommendations to give you. And also, I'm so happy to collaborate with Shoppers Stops for this video. So let's start. So first, I'm gonna talk about my top picks from Plum Goodness, and during this sale, you're gonna get 25% off on Plum products. And I will choose their Vanilla Vibes body butter, and this is so moisturizing. It's going to be great for winter, and I have been using this body butter for a long time, and definitely during this sale it's going to be a very good pick because you're getting 25% off. If you're looking for a nourishing body butter that smells like vanilla, it can be the thing for you. And the next thing that I would pick is the Candy Melts vegan lip balm, and you know it's my one of the favorite lip balms. I love the Berry Fist variant, and it is so moisturizing. The tint is also very good. And my third recommendation would be their Aloe Gentle Cleansing Lotion. It can be a very good first cleanser, especially during the winter, because it is so nourishing. It gently cleanses the skin. This one is really good. So next, my picks from Sugar Cosmetics. During this sale, you're gonna get buy 2 get 1 free from 26th to 28th November. And my first pick would be their lip liners. I love the lip liners. I have one in red, one in brown shade. These are really pigmented, easy to use, and they stay for a long time. And my second pick would be their I Want You So matte eyeliner. They come in beautiful shades, and this is matte, long lasting. I really like this. And the third one would be their BB cream. It has SPF 30 as well, so if you're looking for a daily wear BB cream, it might be a good pick for you. My other pick would be Sugar Cosmetics Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick. I really love this one. It is a true matte formula and has very good pigmentation. And usually we don't get much discounts on Sugar Cosmetics products, and I think buy 2 get 1 is a good offer. And now my top picks from Maybelline, and they have buy 2 get 1 for this one too, and it's gonna be on from 26th to 28th November. I would pick their Hyper Curl mascara. This is a very good mascara. It is affordable, makes my lashes look thicker and big. Also, you're gonna get two options like waterproof and washable. And my next pick would be their Age Rewind concealer, and it's my go-to concealer. I use it most of the times, and it is very easy to blend. It stays on for a long time. I really enjoy using this. And my third pick would be their Colazol eyeliner. This one is also very affordable, richly pigmented, and it can be your go-to eyeliner. So now my top picks from L'Oreal, and you're gonna get buy 2 get 1 for this as well, and it is gonna be there from 26th to 28th November. And my pick would be their Signature Matte Liquid Lips. It is a very lightweight formula. I love these lipsticks. I have I think 2 or 3 shades, and I really enjoy wearing these lipsticks. And my second pick would be the True Match Blendable Powder. It is a very good mattifying powder, very lightweight, doesn't feel patchy. And my third pick would be L'Oreal Moist Matte Lipsticks. This line has such beautiful shades, and I have been using lipsticks from Moist Matte line for a long time. The formula is very comfortable, doesn't feel drying. That's what I like about these lipsticks. So now my picks from Colorbar, and during this sale you're gonna get 20% off on their products from 26th to 28th November. And my pick would be Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. This is a very good primer, very easy to work with. It gives this very silky feeling. It makes foundation stay for a long time. I really enjoyed using it. And my second pick would be Colorbar brushes, and they have these very soft brushes, but they are very underrated. I feel like that. I tried their lip brush, powder brush, and these things are very good, very soft. They make makeup application very easy and smooth. So yeah, I really enjoy brushes from Colorbar. So now I have Lakme, and you're gonna get 30% off from 25th to 29th November. And my pick from Lakme would be their Kohl, because it comes with this smudger, and it is so pigmented, so black. I really like using it. And my second pick would be their Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. It gives so much control, and it gives this very natural look. So yeah, I really enjoyed using this one too. My other pick would be Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. They have such pretty shades and good color payoff. I bought 3 of these shades, and I have been really enjoying this one. The staying power is also quite decent. Okay, now my top picks from Faces Canada. During this sale, you're gonna get buy 2 get 1 free from 26th to 28th November. And my picks would be their Magnetized Dramatic Mascara. This one is very good, gives very good volume. I really enjoy using it. The second pick would be their Nail Polish Remover, because it is so easy to use. You know, it comes in this dabba. It has a sponge, you dip your nail, twist it, and it removes nail polish so easily. And I also like their oatless matte lipsticks. They're very affordable and very non-drying formula. The colors are quite good. And then I have Elizabeth Arden, and you're gonna get flat 20% off. And my pick would be their white tea perfume. This is so beautiful. It has this woody mist floral kind of a scent with this touch of freshness. I really liked it. It is really good. I used it long time back, but I'm gonna repurchase it. My next pick could be, actually it's on my wish list. It is their Cool Glow Cheek Tint. I heard the formula is very good. It stays on the skin for a long time and gives this very natural, very smooth finish, and I really want to try this one. So yeah, these are my recommendations from Shoppers Stop Black Friday sale, and I hope you found this to be helpful. And the sale is going to be on from 24th to 29th November, and I hope you get a good deals. And thank you so much for watching, and see you very soon. Bye bye. Another one. Gotcha. Hi, I'm so pleased to see.